You ready to do science?
Do science.
Right on. Okay. What are we talking about? What are we talking about?
What are you talking about?
We're talking about waves.
Waves.
Waves. Okay. So
Sound waves.
good job. Yeah, that's a good one. Hey, that was good. Awesome, buddy. Yeah. I didn't expect that. Okay. Okay, so we're going to talk about waves. Waves are a type of energy transfer, right? So you got the energy transfer. What kind of energy transfer is bump? Is it potential or kinetic? Bump.
Kinetic.
Yes, that's good too. That was a good one. Okay, so that's what we're talking about. We're talking about kinetic energy and bump because they're making waves. Okay, so we have two types of kinetic bump that makes waves. Okay, first one is mechanical.
Mechanical.
You know your little toys that you have little gears in them, like your cars and stuff? That's kind of mechanical because it moves through something, but it works the same with water. With water?
With water?
With water. And it works the same with air. There's lots of bump. One part moves another. Okay? Does that make sense?
Does it make sense?
Okay, so that's mechanical. And then the other one is electromagnetic, which is electricity and magnets. Do you like magnets?
I like magnets.
I like magnets too. Okay, you want to do mechanical or electromagnetic first?
Mechanical.
Mechanical? Okay, let's do mechanical. You want to do the water?
Water.
Yeah, this is fun. Okay, so right now it's clear, right? So this is just water with a little bit of food coloring, and I've got pigments in it, right? When we shake it up, the pigments move, right? Did they bump? Is that cool? Hey, hey, hey. Is it cool? Is that pretty crazy looking? Especially when you get it from this side, because you can see it when it bounces, the light bounces off a bit more. Can you see all these little parts? What happens if you shake it? You shake it a little bit. You see them bump? That's mechanical. Does that make sense? Look at all of them bump. Are they moving? They're still going, right? They keep on going and going and going. I'll try and insert a clip of the way it looks. It looks really cool, but I'm sure you can't catch it on the camera the way it is right now, but it's really cool to watch all these little waves inside of everything, and that's mechanical as everything pushes. One little piece pushes the next piece, and then the next piece, and then the next piece, and it keeps on going, and that's how a wave happens, right? Like we talked about before with tsunamis. Remember watching tsunamis?
I'm watching tsunamis.
Tsunamis, yeah. Is that pretty cool? So this is mechanical. You're making mechanical waves. Is that pretty cool?
Mechanical waves.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And, okay, so that's the mechanical. Electromagnetic. So we've got this. What's this?
What's this?
Aluminum?
Aluminum.
We've got aluminum.
We got aluminum.
Okay. So what happens if you drop just a regular object down, like a battery? It goes straight through, right? Really fast.
It doesn't work.
Yeah, it doesn't work like that. See? So what happens if you drop a big battery down? You want to drop it? Drop it. See how long it takes. What? It actually stopped in the middle. That's pretty crazy. I did not expect that. Okay. I think the big ones are like stopping somewhere in there. So let's do it smaller ones so you can see how long it takes. Is that pretty slow?
Is that pretty slow?
Yeah. It was a lot slower, huh? So compare this to this. That's pretty cool. You want to do those ones? Do those ones. that pretty cool? Okay, so what happens is when you drop the magnets down through metal, okay, when it goes through the metal, it makes waves. It starts grabbing onto the metal when it passes by metal. And those little waves that come from the magnets, those waves are electromagnetic. Oh man, that one really doesn't want to go through.
It doesn't work like
There's
that.
a spot right there. But it seriously is like really slow. I really want it to go through. Okay. Let's see if we can get one good one with these ones because they're bigger and stronger. Oh, sorry. Make sure there's little dots inside. Okay. You want to drop the battery down it like you were gonna do? Where'd the battery go? Hey, where'd the battery go? Okay. Now we got the battery again. Okay. You want to drop it? Drop it down. Okay. Now drop this. Drop these ones. You know, drop here. Drop the magnets. Let's see if we can get one good pass on there. Whoa. Okay. So the battery caught up to it. It went really, really slow, huh? Watch. Let's see. Oh my god. Seriously. You almost have to shake it to get it out. See where that comes straight out, right? So that's a really fun little baby. Okay. Let's do a different one now, okay? Okay. Remember these little ones? We did this one before, huh? Do you want to sit down? Okay. And then we'll do your favorite. So these are little magnets here. I'm going to put the battery right here. So it's sitting right there. And we've got a little piece of wire, kind of shaped like a heart. So, move it down so we can put it in it. So, we're going to put it right on top. And this little wire is going to grab those little magnetic waves.
Magnetic waves.
What's it doing? What's it doing? It's spinning, huh? Is that pretty cool? Yep. It was going faster when we first tried this, huh? We first tried it a second ago.
No signal.
Yeah, put it down. Let's try it. Okay, put it down. So that we can, because otherwise it won't stay on. Right. Okay. Kind of. So what happens is, look. So you have the little tip right here is sitting on the positive side, right? And then you got the negative down here on the battery. So these are going to pick up on the electromagnetic waves, okay, on the electromagnetic waves from the magnet sitting on top, or sitting underneath the battery. So they're going to put out little waves. And these little wires on the bottom are going to grab onto those and they'll move with it. Hey, ready? There it goes. There it goes. That's a little bit better. Is that pretty cool?
Is that pretty cool?
Mm-hmm. Awesome. You're very interested in your fingernails today, huh? Okay. You want to do the phone? Okay, we're gonna do the phone. So we're gonna play a little YouTube video that has a cool song on our speakers. Gonna push play. Okay, I gotta connect it to the Bluetooth. I don't know how we lost the Bluetooth. There we go. Nah. So now that that's playing, oh, okay. So we've got this speaker hooked up, right? So we're gonna pause it. Pause. Okay, we're gonna take this one off, right?
This is when this and one off.
So that we know it's not this speaker
Not the speaker
that is playing.
that is playing.
Okay. Which thing do you want to do first? There's a
Which
bucket,
thing is the one first?
little tin, piece of plastic, a thin piece of plastic, and then we've got our little board that we use to write on and keep track of our homework, right? Which one do you want to do first? Which one? You want this, or this?
This.
You want to do that one first? That's going to be a pretty cool one. Okay. So, these little guys
These.
are called exciters. Okay? And they are the part in a speaker, specifically, that makes the wave. So this is electromagnetic waves. So this is the part that makes the electromagnetic waves in a speaker. Okay? So we connect it up. Let's hear what it sounds like. Let's hear it. I don't know if we're even going to be able to hear it on the
The square
video.
will help you.
You want to push play? So it's really quiet, huh? You can kind of hear it. You want to do that one first? Okay. Is that pretty cool? Can you see it move? You can almost see it move a little bit. It kind of wiggles. Watch. Okay, let go of it. Do you feel it? You can feel it, huh? You can feel it. Let's go to the part that has more bass, because you'll see it move more. You see it? You can feel it, huh? That's electromagnetic waves. Is that pretty cool? You can feel electromagnetic waves.
Waves.
Okay, which one do you want to do next? Do we want to do the bucket now? Little tin bucket.
Now.
Sounds different, huh? Is that pretty cool? That's got pretty decent sound, actually. Yeah. Okay, now let's do our plastic. So it sounds like it's got a little bit better range, but it is quieter. Whoa. Okay, wait. Yep, that one's not plugged in. Okay. Okay, now do we want to do the big bucket? Oh!
Oh.
That sounds way better. Just a little detergent bucket. That's got pretty good bass. You like that?
I like that.
Awesome. Yeah, you like watching it too, huh? That guy's pretty smart. He does science stuff too, huh? Okay. Can you pause it? Okay. So, let's review it, okay? We're going to turn these off.
Turn these off.
Okay. So, we're going to review. What did we learn about? Yeah. Okay, ready? What did we learn about?
When you learn about
Waves, right?
waves.
Okay, so we did waves. Energy transfer. What kind of energy is it? Potential or kinetic?
Kinetic.
Kinetic, yes. Okay, and there's two types. There's
Two types.
mechanical,
Mechanical.
which is kind of like a water wave,
Water wave.
because it needs something to move through, right? Mechanical,
Mechanical waves.
mechanical waves, and electromagnetic, right? Magnets, electricity. Does that make sense? That was pretty fun, huh? Did you like it? You like looking at that, huh? Cool. Are you done?
Are you done?
You like your science?
I like your science.
Do you like waves?
I like waves.
Do you like kinetic energy?
I like kinetic energy.
Awesome, buddy. You're such a good kid.